race number 7. And the race is on. Fargo rushing up is 30-30. Moving up down on the inside is Benny Goodman, Senorita Alessi. 30-30 is now the leader by some 3 lengths, followed by Benny Goodman. Gold Quest down on the inside, Senorita Alessi. Alongside is Fargo, then comes Comitatus, Kate Ganda, second last, Sir Ferdinand is the early trailer. 30-30, still hanging to that 4 lengths lead, followed by Gold Quest, Benny Goodman, Kate Ganda down on the inside. Nearing the far turn, 30-30, still leading by some 4 lengths. Benny Goodman's now running in second. Comitatus down on the inside. Gold Quest on the outside. Fargo, Senorita Alessi as they race the final corner. 30-30, still leading by some 2 lengths. Benny Goodman running in second. Comitatus down on the inside. Entering the last 100 meters more to run. 30-30 by some 2 lengths. Benny Goodman in second. And nearing the finish line, better go down and collect, or it's in the bag for entry number 4. 30-30, second Benny Goodman. Number 7, Senorita Alessi. Close. Number 6, Comitatus and Fargo.